Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P1659 refers to an ETCS control relay off malfunction in the Honda Civic models from 2006 to 2011. This code is triggered when the engine throttle control system, ETCS, encounters a malfunction with its control relay, which plays a critical role in regulating the throttle control. The ETCS relay is responsible for ensuring proper communication and power supply to the Electronic Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. When the relay is not operating correctly, it leads to a disruption in throttle control, affecting vehicle performance. It's crucial to address this malfunction promptly to ensure safe and efficient driving conditions. Effective troubleshooting begins by capturing freeze data and any onboard snapshot before proceeding with check procedures. The ETCS control relay is vital for the operation of the engine throttle control system in the Honda Civic. This relay is generally located in the underhood fuse and relay box, which houses several critical components necessary for vehicle electrical systems. Its primary responsibility is to enable or disable power delivery to the throttle actuator, which is under direct command from the ECM or PCM. When the relay fails or has connectivity issues, it can lead to unpredictable throttle responses and trigger the DTC P1659. Understanding its location and function is important for effective diagnostics. The relay operates as a switch, opening or closing circuits to maintain proper engine performance based on sensor inputs. Several factors can contribute to setting the DTC P1659 code. A common cause is a faulty ETCS control relay itself, which may fail due to internal resistance or wear over time. Another potential cause could be a blown number 21 DBW ETCS 15A fuse, located in the underhood fuse box. If this fuse is blown, it interrupts the power supply needed for the throttle control system. Additionally, core connections or loose terminals at either the ETCS control relay or the ECM PCM may prevent effective electrical communication, resulting in the relay malfunction. It is vital to systematically verify each of these components during the troubleshooting process to accurately diagnose the issue. Drivers experiencing the DTC P1659 may notice several significant symptoms. One of the first indications is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signaling an underlying issue with the vehicle's systems. Additionally, there may be noticeable throttle response issues, where the vehicle hesitates or does not accelerate smoothly when the accelerator pedal is pressed. Such problems can lead to poor engine performance, making it difficult to maintain speed or control the vehicle effectively. If not addressed promptly, these symptoms can contribute to further complications within the engine management system. Recognizing these signs early is crucial for ensuring vehicle safety and reliability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1659 involves turning the ignition switch to the on second position without starting the engine. This action creates the necessary power for the vehicle's electrical systems to initiate diagnostic processes. Next, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a specialized tool designed to interface with Honda's onboard systems. After clearing, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs still present in the system using the HDS. If DTC P1659 reappears, it is necessary to continue with the subsequent steps. If not, it may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system is functioning correctly at this time. In such cases, further inspection of possible poor connections or loose terminals is warranted. For the second troubleshooting step, the ignition switch must be turned to the lock position to safely handle electrical components. After that, the number 21 dBW ETCS 15A fuse needs to be inspected within the underhood fuse and relay box. This fuse plays a critical role in supplying power to the ETCS control relay. If the fuse is intact, you will proceed to the next step in the diagnostic process. However, if the fuse is blown, note that you will need to replace it to restore operations. The condition of this fuse is crucial, as it can cause the ETCS control relay to malfunction if it fails. It is important to be thorough during this examination and verify the integrity of the fuse before moving forward. In this third troubleshooting step, you will need to remove the ETCS control relay F from the underhood fuse and relay box. This process requires careful handling to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the relay is removed, test its operation to determine if it's functioning correctly. You can use a multimeter or similar testing equipment for this purpose. If the ETCS control relay is found to be operational, you can proceed to the subsequent steps. In contrast, if the relay is not functioning properly, it will require replacement. This step is crucial, as a malfunctioning relay can directly relate to the symptoms associated with DTC P1659 and must be addressed for the vehicle to function optimally. The fourth troubleshooting step involves measuring the voltage at the ETCS control relay 4P connector. Begin by turning the ignition switch back to the on/to position, ensuring that the electrical systems are active for testing. Using a voltmeter, measure the voltage between terminal number 4 of the ETCS control relay connector and a solid body ground. This measurement is critical, as you are looking for battery voltage levels typically around 12 volts. If you find that battery voltage is present, you can proceed to the following diagnostic steps. Conversely, if there is no battery voltage detected, this condition indicates that the underhood fuse relay box may need replacement. The voltage measurement is essential to diagnosing where the power is being disrupted within the system. After completing the necessary repairs and replacements, it is crucial to perform a final verification of the system. Start by clearing all DTCs from the onboard computer using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This action resets the system and allows for a fresh evaluation of the vehicle's operational status. Following this, conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various driving conditions to ensure that all systems are functioning as expected. During the test drive, monitor for the reappearance of the check engine light or any abnormal throttle responses. If the vehicle operates normally without any DTCs being triggered, you can conclude that the issue has been resolved. This verification step ensures that all repairs are effective and that the vehicle is safe for regular use. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring the long-term health of the Honda Civics throttle control system. Regular inspections should include checking the condition of the ETCS control relay and the corresponding fuses. Keeping track of these components can help avoid unexpected failures that could lead to performance issues. Additionally, maintaining clean and secure electrical connections can prevent issues associated with poor conductivity. It is advisable to periodically review wiring harnesses and terminals for corrosion or wear that could interfere with system operations. By adhering to these preventive measures, owners can safeguard against future occurrences of DTC P1659 and enhance overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P1659 is essential for effective repairs and diagnostics in the Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011. The code primarily relates to malfunctions within the ETCS control relay, which directly affects throttle operations. By following a systematic troubleshooting process, technicians can accurately identify and resolve the underlying issues. This includes checking vital components such as fuses, relays, and electrical connections. Moreover, implementing regular maintenance can significantly reduce the chances of encountering this DTC in the future. By staying proactive, vehicle owners ensure not only the reliability of their vehicle, but also their safety on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!